Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back. It's Travis here with JT Wealth. In today's video, we're going to be talking about something that's gotten a lot of hype lately. And if you were going to say, oh, Reddit stocks, well, you're half right. And if you were going to say penny stocks, you're the other half right. In today's video, we're looking at 7 Reddit penny stocks that you can put into your portfolio. So let's get into it. Now, most of you know that oftentimes on the channel, we like to talk about growth stocks, dividend investing, and long-term investing because that's our comfort level and that's where we feel we have the most success. However, we recognize that can be boring. So we do like to touch on the big hype stocks. We talked about penny stocks a while back. We're talking about AMC and the Reddit stocks and the such, the crypto, everything like that. Playing it safe doesn't get a lot of attention, but it does appear that a more undisciplined, risky approach does seem to lend itself well to perhaps newer or younger investors. Whatever the case may be, here's an opportunity for you to kind of tiptoe in or just kind of put your foot in the waters of this hype-based Reddit stocks with penny stocks by only using maybe $100 per company. And if $100 per company is too much for you, then use whatever you're comfortable with. This is just kind of the article's assumption is that you could go in to these companies with $100, not create a lot of risk for yourself, but have that potential for high reward. We're going to take a look at each one of these 7 Reddit or Wall Street Bets recommended penny stocks, but I'm also going to show you guys the TipRanks chart on the stock so that you can see what the professional analysts are anticipating for the 12-month return on these stocks. As always, just liking to show both sides of this so that you can make the most informed decision possible. And before we jump right into that, don't forget to check out the links in the description section down below where you can consider joining our Patreon group where we have our Discord chat group and we can get all sorts of fun information out to you guys and answer all of your stock and investment related questions. Also, if you're looking for a new investment portfolio, consider using the links down below. When you do so, we get an affiliate link sponsorship kind of thing and we appreciate it when you guys use those. Alright, so let's jump right into the slideshow for you guys today. And here you can see an article that came out of Investor Place, and it's titled 7 Reddit Penny Stocks to Buy If You Have $100 to Spare. And the first company mentioned is Uranium Energy, ticker symbol UEC. Now that stock was trading for about $3.01 earlier today, but it has a 12-month price target of about $4.08, which is a 35.55% upside. So in this instance, it would seem that the analysts and the Redditors have this stock in common. And that could be because Uranium Energy Corp definitely has some positive catalysts coming up. For whatever reason, uranium itself is managing to benefit from the price increase of precious metals. So inflation has caused these prices to increase, and uranium is benefiting from that as well, even though it's not like gold or silver. UEC currently has over 2.3 million pounds of uranium stored in US warehouses. The company has also purchased another 1 million shares of Uranium Royalty Corp. This stock is also one that not only Reddit, but Wall Street Bets specifically is bullish on. Next up is Ctic Biopharmacorp, ticker CTIC. The price earlier this afternoon was $2.49, but check out that 12-month average price target. It's a strong buy, all 3 analyst ratings, and they give it a $6.43 price target. That's up 158% in the next 12 months. So CTIC makes therapeutics for blood-related cancers. As for catalysts, CTIC is awaiting priority review by the FDA for one of their new therapeutics. But of course, with all biopharma, these things tend to be hit or miss, so I would caution you on this stock specifically, but you never know, right? These could always skyrocket. The next stock on the list is American Resources Corporation, ticker symbol AREC. They were trading at about $2.80 earlier today. This only seems to have one analyst rating, a moderate buy, but you're looking at a $4.50 potential upside in the next 12 months. That is a 61% upside from the price this afternoon. American Resources is a company that focuses on coal, rare earth minerals, and scrap iron. So some of their resources are used to create steel, while still others are being used in the electrification issue with cars and batteries. So looking at a domestic supply chain and pipeline for steel-related industry, as well as an exclusive technology license for some electrification issues with their rare earth minerals, this company is poised to do exceedingly well should all of these things come to fruition. So our fourth company is Immutep, ticker IMMP, and earlier today they were trading at $4.86 a share. They have a moderate buy rating with 2 analysts, giving it an average price target in the next 12 months of $8.50. That's up just shy of 75%. So obviously you can see they're dangerously close to breaking that $5 level, making it no longer a penny stock, but for the time being it still fits into the category, and Reddit is still very interested. This company seems to be getting really great results after their phase 1 testing on solid tumors. Again, both biotech and penny stocks are very risky, but when you consider you could get about 20 shares of this company for $100, you're not really setting yourself up to lose a significant amount, but you could stand to gain a significant amount. Next up on the list is Naked Brand Group, ticker symbol NAKD. They were around 73 cents a share earlier when I checked. However, TipRanks does not have any active data for them at this time. Now, this is not the first time Reddit has been involved with the Naked brand. In early 2021, they were heavily involved in the Naked brand, and that worked out well for them. The big push allowed Naked brands to sell out a bunch more stock or issue a bunch more stock at a better price, and then make their move into e-commerce. Naked brands struck while the iron was hot last time they got some good support from Reddit, and they could stand to do it again. Right now at the current price, you could get about 140 shares for your $100, and then kind of just hold on to it and see what happens. We all know what Reddit is capable of, and if they decide to back Naked brands again, which does seem to be happening, you never know where these shares could go. Next up on our list is Super League Gaming, ticker symbol SLGG. They were trading at about $6.06, so kind of just over that penny stock price point. But they're being touted to hit about $7 within the next 12 months, which is a 15.5% upside. That's a moderate buy with 2 analyst ratings. So Super League connects all levels of online gamers from beginner to pro, providing an amateur esports experience that connects and celebrates them. The company also recently acquired a company called Mob Crush, which increased its audience size by 75 million people. And as big as esports and gaming is getting, this company is just starting out. And our last stock of the day is Allied Esports Entertainment. So their ticker is AESE, and earlier today they were trading at around $2.30. Now there's only one rating, and it's a hold rating, so that price target kind of just stays right where it's at. This is another gaming company, but they bring integrated arenas and mobile gaming trucks for you guys to kind of have those live interactive hubs for gaming experiences. The company's also actively seeking out affiliates who are looking to open esports facilities globally. As gaming continues and perhaps in-gaming grows in popularity as the kind of shift out of the last year and a half occurs, this company could stand to benefit significantly. Things to note towards the end of this video here is undoubtedly somebody's going to mention it in the comment section. Is it possible that people are pushing out the idea of Reddit penny stocks via articles or on Reddit itself, other subreddits, whatever the case may be, to distract you from AMC, from GME, to get people to stop looking over here and focus over here while the large hedge funds and stuff can kind of make their money back? Yes, that's 100% possible. They could be utilizing stocks like these to get your attention off AMC and GME. So if you're a huge AMC, GME fan believing in the pending short squeeze, please don't worry about any of these stocks. I'm not telling you to switch from one thing to the other. I'm just pointing out some of the news and information that's coming out. And the article posits that you basically put $100 into each one of these stocks. You get access to that high risk play without a lot of significant downside. If you lose what would be $700, that could be very significant for you. And if that's the case, don't invest $700 in these. But if you're, somebody who can put $700 into these stocks and not really worry about it, then that's kind of the direction that they're pointing this article in. So $100 per stock, and you have the opportunity to benefit from them should they skyrocket, because we all know what Reddit and Wall Street Bets is capable of, right? Thank you very much for checking out my video. The next video I plan on putting out is 8 companies who are looking at a short squeeze. And now I'm going to showcase which those companies are and how much short interest they're still holding and why they're getting some attention on Reddit and Wall Street Bets, etc. So we're going to take a look at those in my next video. But again, thank you so much for checking this out. As a last minute reminder, I am not a financial analyst. I'm not telling you to buy or sell any specific stocks. Everything I present in my videos is for information and entertainment purposes only. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and bottoms up.